Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Lulu Njoroge and I am so happy to be here again. Like legit, honestly, I'm so happy. Anyways, before I ramble, talk, ow! So today's video is gonna be our 3-strand twist out tutorial. As you can see, let me even turn for you guys. Yeah, I accidentally lost the footage of us installing the twist. When I mean us, a friend of mine, okay, actually 2 of my friends helped me install this. Not that it is hard, not that you can't do it by yourself, but we were in a rush. You need some time. Anyway, I will unravel one, then show you how to do it because I love you guys. But basically, I will tell you what products we use. Obviously, we began on freshly washed hair. I washed, did a protein and a deep conditioner to my hair. Don't worry guys, I will show you guys a full wash series, so relax, chill, I got you. I got you. We use the CANTU, I think it's called the curling gel or something. I will insert a picture. It smells heavenly. And Moistura leave-in conditioner, which you guys know is my holy grail, or if you don't know now, you know. The Moistura, I think now they call it the hydrating butter, and some oil, which is avocado oil. So now I'm just gonna indulge you in the taking out process, okay? So as always, the first step, we are gonna use this Fragata olive oil. When you see some people doing some things, please just ask yourself why. Like for instance, why have I added oils onto my hands? This is to reduce frizz. Frizz is that point, or if you don't know what frizz is, it's like when you're trying to, you know, you want the defined curls, yeah? So there's a time where the edges are really, they've like come together, so the oil will like make them loose. So if you remove it just like that with the dry hands and whatever, there's gonna be so much frizz and your twist out will look really bad at the end. So the first thing, I just unravel. You see, begin from the bottom, just slowly. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to get where the hair naturally separates. Then just pull one as you go up, just like that. That's the trick, guys. Pull. When you hold one that's actually unraveling, just pull it, then the rest will just unravel together, yeah? So at the bottom, what she did was she did a 3-strand twist here. I will link a video of how I learned how to 3-strand twist by Natural 85, and that video is amazing. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just like carefully. God, I always do these videos with ugly nails. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Times I forget to do these things. So yeah, you see, I'm actually just trying to separate the hair nicely. This will take some time, but guys, if you want those twist outs, you better be careful. So you see, like that, till you see, I'm just trying to separate, pull a bit, and it kind of makes them loose at the point where the because it was like a matuta, if you don't know what a 3-strand twist, because this other one was a 3-strand twist. So a braid, oh Leah, you took forever to know that. So you just continue separating, as you guys have seen, slowly by slowly, until all of it is separated. Voila. Ooh, girl. girl. Ooh. Don't play. So I want to try and show you guys how to 3-strand twist. So let's pretend you have this. Okay, when you want to 3-strand twist, divide your hair into 3 almost equal sections, yeah? So you take, see, these are 3, like 1, 2 and 3. You take this 1 and push it over 2 and 3. Then you take this. Basically, I told myself when I was beginning that, you see, this one that's always held by my hand always goes above these 2, like that. Don't even overthink it, like that. You see, I'm going over these 2, I'm going over this too. I'm not doing tight because I don't want to lose the curl pattern, but it's just because I want to show you guys like that. Are you seeing? It's like I'm ensuring I don't, because if you don't concentrate, you'll just find that you've braided the hair down. So each time you're doing is just taking this all the way this side, each time all the way this side, like that, in a continuous motion. So it's this going around this, like that. Are you guys seeing?
This is home for them too. Nyumbani hakuna matata ya stories. You're dying every day. Nyumbani hakuna matata ya stories. You're dying every day. Nyumbani hakuna matata ya stories. If they're dying every day. Nyumbani hakuna matata ya stories. If they're dying every day. They live a day at a time. So much fear inside. With no one out there to stand up.
Chineke. Ooh. Guys, I'm shook. I am shook. I am absolutely shook. Like, look at that. That's hella cute.
This is home for
You know, I'm not also a pro. I really learn from my friends, y'all. And then one thing that she told me, if you want to achieve, these blessings, Melanie, woo-wee. If you want to achieve such a nice twist out, guys, please ensure you've thoroughly detangled your hair. Because my hair was like, why didn't we have that footage? My hair was really tangled up. So ensure you have detangled hair so that you, like, even unraveling is very easy. My hair is not even like clamping onto each other, as you guys can see. Guys really want to see how we did it, just comment down below and like this video, and I will honestly give like now a detailed one when we are doing them, you know, when they are fresh. Kilio, mama. So I'll do the rest of my hair off camera because I don't want this video to be extra long, you know, we ain't about that life. Because I hope you guys are loving this twist out, because bro, Ooh, so I'll be back soon. I'll be back. Don't go. So y'all, let me just stand for. I've not even fluffed or anything. This is just the first, just separating them. Oh Lord. Ooh. Gosh, I absolutely love this look. Y'all don't even know. Like, it looks nice, right? I really love it. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna use this as my favorite picking comb, and I'm just gonna fluff the roots because I don't want to see those parts. I'm just literally just lifting the roots just like that. It's not even complicated. You see, some tutorials that you'd watch, they'd separate it further, but a tip that I got from, I think, my Kenyan puff, she's a Kenyan YouTuber, is that when you do your first twist outs, if you want them to last for long, oh god, yeah, so if you want your twist to last for long, and I got this from my Kenyan puff, the Kenyan YouTuber that I absolutely love, is you do not fluff your twist outs on day one. Sour. Like, you see, if I had an option, I would, you see, there's naturally lines of separation, yeah? I would separate it further and give me that nice volume, but it's gonna come. It's going to naturally separate as the days go by. So I will just inward my roots to remove the parts. I love it. Like, I'll just leave this natural part because it's been like that for this whole time. Woo! This is pretty, guys. This is really. Let me get a thumbnail. Like, I can't even stop staring at myself. Like, yo, my hair can move. So thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. If you please just give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Your friends might need to see these cute things, this hair. Comment below if you loved it. Like, just give me your feedback, y'all. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support you've been giving. Love you guys, and bye.